Hello viewers, welcome.
To the Mr. Millionaire channel. Today we are going to discuss about Matic coin and why that Matic coin is increased drastically within 1 month. It given 500% returns. So why Matic coin is raised more than 500% within 1 month, and how it will rise in future? What are its future expectations? Why it is raised suddenly and where it is used? We are going to discuss in this video. So what is use of Matic? When we listen the name Matic, it is nothing but a polygon. That is, Polygon is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a multi-chain scaling solution for Ethereum. So what is this meaning? Uh, that is, with the help of Matic token, we can simplify the transactions in Ethereum network. You might have listened about the Ethereum network. And Ethereum network is also used in decentralized platform. So simply, Matic Coin simplifies the transaction in Ethereum networks. It speeds up the transaction with more security, and it plays a main role for exchanges and transaction in decentralized platform. Here the point comes, what is decentralized platform? Here is the main reason why Matic Coin suddenly raised. In the year 2020, decentralized platform is officially announced, it is officially tested. So what is this decentralized platform? Simply, decentralized platform is a virtual world. In our real world, we will able to buy land and we will able to sell land, but in decentralized world, there is a land available in the Ethereum network. In a world available Ethereum network, we can buy certain part of that world and we can develop some companies and some blocks, some areas, our own businesses in that Ethereum network, that is in the decentralized land with high security. When you observe this video, we'll able to see a locally developed environment which contains plants, buildings similar to the virtual world. We can build any number of buildings, we can buy the land, but this land and this environment is maintained by DAO. DAO is digitalized deorganized automation. So this environment is controlled under or controlled by DAO, decentralized automation organization. Decentralized autonomous organization. This is controlled by DAO. That means there is no particular government in it. Only certain communities come into action and control the whole land. Simply, this is a internet land. You can buy buildings, you can sell your land, you can do real estate business in this also. Lose yourself in an amazing world, evolving world. Explore lands owned by users to experience incredible scenes. See, all these structures are built by the users. For example, if you want to buy a land, it is available in the 52 square feet. You can buy the certain part of the land, and in that land, you will build whatever you want. If you want to sell that, you can sell that to other person via crypto exchange or Ethereum exchanges, via Ethereum network also. In this decentralized world, what other extra features we have is create scenes, artworks, challenges, and more using the simple builder tools. And take part in event to win prizes also. We can arrange competitions in decentralized world. Similar to you, if any other user have logged into the decentralized world, you can interact with him directly also. In this decentralized world, peer-to-peer network feature is there. That's why only the persons with under same VPN can see you. We have extra important feature in this decentralized world, that is trading, where we can buy lands, we can sell lands, buy and sell land, estates, avatar variables, and names in decentralized marketplace. Stocking the very best digital goods, paraphernalia backed by Ethereum blockchain. So I am going to show you a video upon this decentralized world.
This is the virtual world. I'm going to show now a video of how decentralized platform will be actually. What does it contains? Over 24,000 plus users are there. In creative submissions, we can build our own environment. We can build our own games, own competitions, own companies, own buildings like this. See, assume you are a person. You can interact with other person with the help of P2P network, peer-to-peer. You can enjoy the world in the decentralized world where you can see other users also, what others have created. Because of Matic is helping in the transactions in Ethereum network, and it is more secure, and future is the decentralized world. That's why the Matic price has grown drastically. It has given more than 500% returns within 1 month. If you observe this graph, it is struggled here for almost 1 month and given a sudden breakup. Because of that, it is formed a triangle pattern, a flag and a pole pattern. When the pole pattern is break, this went to the moon without seeing backwards. And a recent big fall in the cryptocurrency, it took the support with the help of trendline and reversed back. When this trendline breaks, this downtrend line breaks, this Matic is going to move further. Its main target is 3.5 USD, because after a big movement it faced a big fall, and after that, this is because of bad news in the cryptocurrency. Due to Bitcoin, all other cryptocurrencies have fallen. Investors have lost their hope in Bitcoin, and now after the big fall, the Matic coin has raised once again. This is, we can assume, as a retracement also, Fibonacci retracement, where we can plot the Fibonacci retracement. It will retrace from this point, minimum point to maximum point. See, it took the support of retracement point 0.786 and retraced back, and after, when it is reached to 0.5, here is the best place to buy a Matic coin, because it is at a level of 0.5 retracement point. Or if you observe here, from this point it is bounced back, so this range is the best range to buy Matic. This will bounce back at this range with the help of trendline support. Thank you for watching.